Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to send alerts from TradingView to Twitter only in 3 minutes. So I'm going to open my browser and search pipestream.com. Here is the page. I'm gonna click on sign up free. This is in case you don't have an account in PipeDream. Just type your information here and click on sign up. So now this is the page that you see when you sign up. I'm going to click on new HTTP webhook request and trigger, save and continue. And this is a webhook URL. I'm going to copy it by clicking on this copy button here and paste it on TradingView alert section. Webhook URL, paste and create. Here is the alerts on TradingView. I'm gonna see if I have it on PipeDream too. One new event, this is the alert that I just sent. I'm gonna click on post and headers body. I'm going to click on copy path, continue. I'm going to find Twitter and click on it. Now click on create tweet. Now I'm going to click on connect a Twitter account. This is the link with which we can use Twitter's API. You can see api.twitter.com. I'm going to type my password because I already have my username. And click on sign in. Now I'm going to paste the headers body that I copied earlier, copy path. I'm going to click on test. You can see testing, success, and I'm going to check my Twitter. Here I have one tweet and this is the alert from TradingView. I'm going to go back to PipeDream and deploy it. Okay. And now I have this workflow working in my workflow section on PipeDream, and if you want to create new workflows, just click on new. So now I'm going to test it one more time by changing the message. I'm going to write test and create. Here is the alerts on TradingView. Now I'm gonna check my Twitter. One tweet and test that I wrote. So here's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, make sure to comment down below so I can help you with them.